appreciation is bebe. Ade a mempese kra meti wo wiase kra ne se meye wadwuma ama wo. Na wo se utua meka na beka chem se de wo ye ne mani so. Me yafunu nso.
I am very, very sad. For this week, I saw a classmate of mine. Nyami classmate at our university, first degree. Guy and one. Not on the Madeira rough. Very intelligent. Very, very, very intelligent. Now, so guy and also no. Everyone at our university of Health and Allied Sciences, who they be no shandy. Always he was learning. You always see him in the company of some ladies and they are sitting down, they are learning. Yeah. Now you're serious students in here. Now politics. But those people were the ones learning. It was for 2020. That's when we got our licenses. Sabach, no. I want you to understand the pain. Or Yawan Crofofem. 2020. And I get your licenses after 4 years of learning, going to clinicals over and over, risking our lives, writing licensure exam. We got our licenses as health professionals in 2020. Now, what about 2020? No, now Corona. In Corona, crano still now you call hospital for licensure. We were afraid, we were scared for our lives, but we still went through all those things. So 2021 January, and now we starting a friend rotation. I national service for health professionals, nurses. Until they started 2021, ended in January 2022. So 2021, 2022, so now Corona still level until we were working under strict conditions. 2022, these people became ready for the job market. 2020 batch of nurses, they became ready for the job market in 2022. So 2022, 2023, 2024, 2 years, they were in the house. Until last year, May, there was a program that Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia was invited to, Mbekaya. And in that program, a nurse came to ask him, say, Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia, what is happening to 2020 batches of nurses? Nkofo amuko university, nkofo amuko training colleges ni nano. Obia wofi. Then Dr. Mahmudu Bawumia told them that their clearance was going to be in by August. Mbekaya last year. Dr. Bawumia told them their clearance was going to be in by August. Truly too, clearance came in August. Now the clearance that came, let me show you the letter so that people don't go and be deceiving you. Say, Akufo-Addo, obe free office no. And now Debbie, clearance came. This is it. So the first clearance came in April 2024. This is the letter from the Ministry of Health. This is the letter from the Ministry of Health. And it reads, the Ministry of Health writes to request for financial clearance for the recruitment of 15,200 degree, diploma, and certificate nurses and midwives from public and private health training institutions.
You don't have to tell me that when you saw me so any. I don't need to be told that when you saw. Pay me. Adentia. Sadia na ye wo krom ha no ye nyaya. Me de me suggest sa parliament monko shamra. 10 months ago, ye fa omo ye den na sika ni ho a ye fa omo ye den. Process be no mo fam. And idea was when one government in AU, several governments from 1992. Yaya mana be practice. What is no Deputy Finance Minister Thomas Ampimeka say, ono ye adwuma as teacher for 8 months. Na che se be 1990s mo no and early 2000s. Entenya na ne start saade no. Ase Ghana fo mpanyimfo no. Eye omo de say omo abre enti wo bre a wo se obi nso bre bi. Ade bi o ha it doesn't make sense. Girl ya o kasai. Girl ya ne rent aso Augusta. Oba kolebu ebewo IV. Oba kolebu be check vitals every day wotua transport no. Yese nurse for ye adwamanfo, nurse for ye 224, nurse for wo ba hospital. We a fine boy. What about ama nurse ahwe? We treat you fine. Onye obi a oje akatua. But what they akoma hwe o kama. Yentua me pacho mami adwuma. Yentua ne ka. Enti asem na oto no ho no. Wo hwe o kama na wo be man so hu se wo de obaba anasa wo de onua bi aba. Wahwe ne kama. Oh nurse isu ye fine o kasa fine pa. Nurse ma menye o number why. Na next time me ba. Woni na chat fine. Ene wo kwa adwuma wo se say oh mantimi akwa dey at transport. Oh why you are working? We've not been paid. Obi anim wati bida. Obi oye otie me bia wati bida. We've not been paid oh. Oh really? But you work very hard. Yes, so for 7-8 months now. Okay, then let me send you something small because also I can't wakoma. Emema ne akoma ne makeka omakoma basa. No, wa send the amano. Emema the touching story ne touching their pocket. I send the kakra. 2-3 times na esi akwa adwuma. Wo hwa ono so openipa. Oh, the way we goody. If you need any help, tell me okay. That crew wo fie me kra metie me ya. Ene ma membra me show. Hey. Wo se nurse ni ya adwama. Enye ono a, one man is care call adwuma. Adwuma no opeso oye. 10 months. Ewi ase mema kra no sika ni mu ho a ya ahwede mo ye. Enya mo na motwe atuyi. Enya mo na motwe atuo dodo na anya mo a. Enti enye easy. Say ye befa ye ma a omawie school. Unim nipa anka wose omo ye adwuma ye nti omo ka Ghana. Nipa wose omo ye adwuma ye nti omo ka ye mpanyimfo no. Eni omo di bro 50 years ekono. Nka wose because omo nya kakra gu ho. Nti omo na wose omo salary eche. Di onya free fuel. Di onya free housing. Di onya free driver. Di onya free chef. Di onya free dietitian. Di onya free clothing. Di onya free entertainment. Di onya free flight. Ono na eni se yetua ne kantem because de enema edi sika to nyina no ye de ama no. De wose yetua ne kantem ye de oni bibia nurse ni enka abrochiri ankote nurses quarters. Oni bi kura no the first thing abroni abodam broni a wabodam kura no wonim se obetena ba bia didi ansa no waye adwuma. Eno a metro bibi se girl ya mahuni. Ade a ohia wo wiase e be ma na brabo asesa enye Ghana sika. De ehia ne se broni be ma no passport se ko UK. Odu ho within 12 months obestati asend sika ba fie se ma me mo mpa asase bi nto ma me. No akas me ba ya waye adwuma mako emfie nsia yi a oda so beje banche ne body wo fie ene on na send sika yi broni no okronso Atlantic Ocean pe na brabo asesa. Ade entia only 3,000 miles. Any color, melanin. Broni bia ni ho obefa wadwuma ma waye adwuma 10 ma. Onim se obeku nipa. Onim se obewia ni bibi. Se wafa 10 months. Adwuma mu ha wo ha yese camera ayira. Angel ha wo ha yese camera ayira. Camera kakraka yo enye pin yese ayira. Adan ya ye. Oba ne dan ekom wom. Adwuma bebremasi. Untu aka niama ayira basa. Because nipa no ofa de atu baabi ama woni fie. Adwuma bebre amo hwe me no kura na mo mpe wontua nipa ka sa adwuma no niam ayira basa. Because nipa na wontua unse wotua ne ka ne botom ayema bibia nkom. Ofa bibia nkom because kashem. Ba wontua ne ka ne botonum da bia muso. Bibi obefa bia yeden ekom. Sika wo ma bibi ntoso. Obi ampese ni sika be moamoa. Ebe na ebu no. The American no. Eye figurative. Utua obi ka ni botoma ye ma ofa bibia enye dan enkom. Na mo muntua ne ka ne botonu mu da ho nti ofa bibia ebe dan ebekom. Aban corruption ekoso nyina dodo na afri ha. Ekom nya di nipa no ohun se obetima fa we adidi anakatua ne ba wo mpa akatua ne biem wo hu se ba bia no onam ne hokra easy obegigi patient sika obi a obewo no obetro ne ma bebre ama no so onkoto wa abra bi wo hospital ho se de be ya yes ono ne nkoto mra ono a nurse ne wa bi provision shop wo hospital ho nurse pharmacist na ote wo no aduro no obeye no obeton de efo ama wo ene ama no doso munya ya wudie sem no high people not paying them. You are doing yourself a danger. You are sending the country in a way that people will be corrupted before their commitment comes up. We cannot tolerate this attitude. If Parliament, Montanasi, Munshamra, Emrana Mobeshani say ye nisika se ebe high nipa. Ye mo Montana Mufi, no be amfana jenya juma. So be investing nisika ewo mudie. Lai. Yentiasie. Yentiasie. Yenshamra say, yen abayin nisika obetumetua after 3 months. Acha 2 months. Mofanya mo preparation se mo betua. 3rd month no also be a salary by including the 2 months I raise. After 2 months, say you need enough finances to pay for the people we are renting and now we are recruiting. Now we should not hire them. Now work school abeye nurse, degree nurse. O take mu kwa adwuma da bia na wo frɛ maame a wo maame ohwane aburu wa kurase frɛ wo maame se maame send me sika na me mfa nkɔ ebi so awie school na omo tifie wo kɔ hospitalize nurse fo ni ho nti ebre nurse fo so awie school tifie wo dwene oman ne ho a asa oman no ya dane yeti ahwefom ya twa abutu wo kɔ school bia si teacher fo ni ho teacher fo so 2000 awie school tifie adan ya ye niska enso ya school fees enwunu ya school fees wo kɔ hospital a obetua enyunu nti no enkosom ye mfa nipa hwe nurse fo bebre yi omuti Ghana nurse fo ho ofensu bebre atwa omuti omaye omugire bebre de wabo ni tibia na otimi se ne boy wo kakra no omukro munya ska hwe na ye ba nai akra ho omobo mema no kra na ya na omho ye memobo omuka ki no ebi kra nya yonto man de am hu se omo no mu bi o ha eche no etaite ne kama nti hu mema no muntumi kura nto bebre power asa omo ntumi to omo nya ska we he kura na yekoye bana mumu abo omo na enye ema we tu kwa UK pa na wo hwe adwuma Ghana nurses say rated some of the best in the world aden membedi me komo no jari mo prepare ma me sechi wa kwa ba
ya oba
bibia boko
Nyame adomo ba bibia boko moni adwuma sade da bia mi hyawa mi di moma o sanse sebi sankadikanfo ni bi etimi wine no kra ni kan ya anka ebia ye twam wa bia ye we enti kakra ye da sene adwuma pa wo boma oman no na mami fanfri one chanchan komo a de bia muka na MC ye behia soja mamuo na soja bamu a ebeye ye meda asese nne de wa waje atum say the way to go is not soja mamuo. The way to go is a change in the constitution. So constitution ne beje powers bi. Now wama binom aye so accountable to the extent that ono kra bepe position na obi true. Say Ghana no say mo be political appointment a. Nipa na ni je because okwa akwedi sika ye che no a. Ya besan ya ma ne mmere ni tiri kra ye obenya plea bargaining. Ama sika wadi no ya teso ama no watua. Do wi abode ya nka ncha bode no wi aduro nti ye che waso bode sa ho. Na mom de wadi Ghana sika boom. Sika yetimi di si hospital, sika yetimi di chichiru kromua. Na ya de ne kwa court a ansa no bekwa akogina court wadakam si edi nasam na enya ye kra no na edi afi mfie mienu. If you don't know, some penifo ni di sika so hwe process ye de omo fam. Ansa na ebebo omo kwadu no na onam backdoor kra watwi awie. Say yentimi ansesa saniema no na de atoso article 71 holders omo benefit yentimi anhwa so a baby aye we be ye den si ebetu ya na yakoye nim. Article 71 aye so easy for omo wasro ho no enti onwe nurse ho onwe teacher ni ho wono no ne de ye okọ retirement won salary awaje so. The best time I yetu ya ne kaso na ode kwa retirement ya de ne mu lab some ema no enti onye kodu soro no mo a obise na ose Ghana de ha ye because ono oni ahukyere bia mu asogyafoɔ betimi aye adwuma sɛ de omkɔ peacekeeping na omoyɛ ne pepepe na why no omoyɛ accountable to na why na appoint say nipa no na bi odi ka te sɛ ne mabi akɔbɔ kro no a anka ye katasumu emu aso because on ka ne kase na ban no aye unpopular enti omo de be hyɛ fam ni nyina na aka ho ene wo mo a ye fa wo mo adwuma no mu politically enti ama nipa ni bu ho no mo a wonye breed for soja adwuma ena kom ene politics nti ye de na kohyem enti sa nipa no yan kohwe nachi aka ne no ye fa obi soja mu a yenya break kohwe nipa no background ehwe nipa no ni suban a no ode wo ho ansa ene dodo asen de koso enti ye de ye kro no na ne ye bo wo fie no akowura soja adwuma mu ye de kro no na ye bo wo school no akowura soja adwuma mu ene ye sha uniform de agusu nti e ma ye power e ma ba bi e pese ewura kɔbɔ kro no TV ni dum ye timi kwakɔbɔ ama bibia ansi enti abusua se Ghana be ye a mesi ye constitution no se wo baabi na ye ba se ye constitutional review committee enti ya ba ebeji adwenkyere a fo adwenkyere wura mu bi se de be ye betimi asesa ne ma na ade wura mu a ene mu amoji adwenkyere no samoka article 71 holders ho nkyere se Ghana fo ampe de munya no a e wo se kyenkyen amoma ne hyem mo se Ghana fo dodo no ampe ena na sisi asem a wo kan mesra se omo aye wunti bibi ha omo akom nti omo de kwa adwuma ha omo ne yebesere se nko omo ntena fie sa wo de wo yarefo beko hospital na nurse ni buafu enti no wo kra wusu no won hunu po no abeboa no ya pa ye share wo mo pain sabi ye te ha ye adwuma isi ye katua ma eto de bi ameka se adwuma wura no mo a akatua ma na omubu omandi guso no say ya no omu ni future for the adwuma minimum adwuma obi ye adwuma 2 weeks in the whole month because month no so ya na katua ma no or dey excuse 1 week no onko adwuma da ado se me ni lorry fare sa 1 week no ebreso se wutua ne ka biewu a wobetua ne nyina but no the tifio e san month no na katua ma ye nti otifio wontimi nka wo frɛ no no so oni case ko de beba ba ne dan but oba adwuma bosume so a wobetua ne nyina pepepa wonti bi mfrim enti yesra ban esra nkrankran eto da bi na san nkrankranfo no ye na wo kan ne kase o mse na government kra na nurses kra ntua o kana me private teachers kra ye ntua o kan tie kra ya ade so omo ntua na mo pa ye nya susudua enti
This was in April 2024. Now this is the process ebusuanfo say aban per se on fan crofo into the health sector. Say sector no health. We have financial clearance from the Ministry of Finance. And the health sector no health minister no be chro letter. Emma finance minister say me per se me recruiting nipa be 1,000. Finance minister betina say who say okay sa nipa our person of form nyina no. Say ye form a saying na ye di betuom ye betuom. Enti uhun letter na. Let me show you the letter once again. When you go through the letter, you will see say the amount of money or salaries no down there stated 48,707,353 Ghana cedis. Salary no 48,707,353. The salary was stated in the letter. And the letter where Minister of Finance, Trauma, Finance Ministry last year, no, and August, no, Finance Minister, okay, and reply letter, no. And the Finance Ministry, tap. Let's power tap. 17th July, 2024. Financial clearance in here. 17th July last year. Financial clearance. Please refer to your letters. Number 2, the Honorable Minister of Health is hereby granted financial clearance to enable the ministry engage 15,200 nurses, midwives, and all. And number 7 is saying, please note that this financial clearance expires on 31st December 2024 and cannot be used thereafter. And the Ministry of Finance last year, Ministry of Health timeline. So all the nurses, midwives, and the rest that were employed, everything ended in November last year. November. Some of them started working December. Some of them started working January. Now, say about my financial clearance, what it means, they say, omu koye budget, omu di beka budget ne omu salary beka budget ne. Now, what happened last year, they say, because now your election year, the government, per our law, is supposed to draw budget for 3 months. MPP government drew a budget for 3 months. And that budget includes payment for government workers. That is why new government does not come and say, I think I better draw a budget and will be a debit. NPP drew a budget for 3 months, and in that 3 months budget, the 15,200 nurses and midwives that were employed last year, salary count. Now this government came, this NDC Jomama government came. They saw the budget, they took their money, and some way, somehow, the money has not been paid to the nurses and the midwives. No problem. After in April, omu budget. They drew their own budget in April. Some way, somehow, because they don't respect nurses, they don't respect midwives, they don't respect teachers, they don't respect junior daughters. So, okay, so Brack will say, can we have that area so that we can use that to make our case? Do you mean the letter? Auntie Felicia, you're welcome. Kwesi, do you want the letter? Do you want the letters or something? If you want the letters, send me hi in my DM. I'll send it to you. I don't mind sharing it with you. All the letters are available. So don't let anybody deceive you. Kwesi, let me know. Do you mean the letter? You want the letter or something? I can share it with you. Okay, I'm waiting for Kwesi's reply, but yes. And they even came, now we draw my budget. March, still, 15,200 nurses, salaries, eka budget, junior doctors. Now, junior doctors, baby. It takes you 8 years to become a junior doctor. 8 years. You're a junior doctor. 8 years of your life. 8 years of your life. Now, 8 years, Peko school, 6 years. 6 years, 3 years, a classroom. 3 years, a clinicals. And 3 years, over 3 years of classroom, you will learn all the systems. Renal system, reproductive system, all of the rest. Or I'm fine. You go and do 3 years in clinical years. Now, that clinical years, no, it was easy. They be our hospital. As you will see, say, world rounds, now, medical student, no, mudi, MO Nichi, and all those things, doing all manner of donkey jobs. During the clinical years. Who we are now, that before you write your final exam, which your final exam, we are. Now you go and do 2 years housemanship. 2 years housemanship. First year, general medicine. Second year, surgery. Until you put all together 8 years before you become a junior doctor. Now, people have gone through all these years, and now they are working for government. And the Akufo-Addo government, they were taking their monies. John Mahama Abape. Amuka. Junior doctors have also come out to tell us that they are going on strike from 10th October. And only news. Junior doctors to withdraw their services nationwide on 10th October over unpaid salaries. Etiebushiafo abain baku timiba, nurses odiomuka, teachers odiomuka, junior doctors odiomuka. Just last month, Tertiary Educational Workers Union, almost omuko strike. ade on diomuka. And the scanner John Mahama 10 billion or the heading. That's my question to you today. 10 billion John Mahama G from January to now. No, scan no mu the heading. Mami blocky Kwasiafuɔ we na ento aso. Why? I who knew I want it so ultimately say yes and be an it. So that's my question to you. Udi Obiaka 2 months ago, Railway Workers Union, they were doing demonstrations, they have not paid them. 2 months ago, Railway Workers in Tuamukaye. She said, I buy where I buy no. Sami Jemfi Kwana Echano Kana, Sami Jemfi, Randy Abbey, John Mahama, and Nana Jane, Joyce Bao, Omukwana Mutuamuka, Aha Bridget Otumu, Omukwana Mutuamuka.